Can coughing during a heart attack save your life? According to some sources, coughing vigorously during a heart attack, so-called cough CPR, can save your life. This is an internet distortion of a paper published over 40 years ago, which showed that patients who had a cardiac arrest during arteriography in hospital and who coughed every 1 to 3 seconds stayed conscious for an additional 39 seconds. There is no evidence that this technique works in the community for heart attacks that are not induced by medical procedures. The absolute priority when you think you or someone else is having a heart attack is to call the emergency services. This way, paramedics can assess and aid you, and you will get to hospital as fast as possible. There is no medical evidence to support cough CPR. Globally, heart disease is the #1 cause of death. It is responsible for 17.9 million deaths each year. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention in the United States, one person dies every 36 seconds from cardiovascular disease. Heart disease accounts for 1 in 4 deaths in the United States. Heart disease is common, but it is not inevitable. There are lifestyle changes that we can all implement to reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular problems, whatever our age.